Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing the basic ECG waveforms, the P, QRS, T, and U waves. These waves are recorded during the electrical activity of the heart and can provide important information about the health of the heart. The ECG records the electrical activity of a large mass of atrial and ventricular cells, not that of just a single cell. Because cardiac depolarization and repolarization normally occur in a synchronized fashion, the ECG is able to record these electrical currents as specific waveforms P wave, QRS complex, ST segment, T wave, and U wave. The spread of stimuli through the atria and ventricles followed by the return of stimulated atrial and ventricular muscle to the resting state produces the electrical currents recorded on the ECG. Furthermore, each phase of cardiac electrical activity produces a specific wave or complex. The basic ECG waves are labeled alphabetically and begin with the P wave. The P wave represents the spread of a stimulus through the atria, atrial depolarization. The QRS complex represents stimulus spread through the ventricles, ventricular depolarization. The ST segment and T wave represent the return of stimulated ventricular muscle to the resting state, ventricular repolarization. The U wave is a small deflection sometimes seen just after the T wave. It represents the final phase of ventricular repolarization, although its exact mechanism is not known. The PQRST sequence represents the repetitive cycle of the electrical activity in the heart, beginning with the spread of a stimulus through the atria, P wave, and ending with the return of stimulated ventricular muscle to its resting state, STT sequence. This cardiac cycle repeats itself again and again.